Okay, so these are the breather tubes from the crank ventilation system of the 1.8 compressor. So this is from where the fumes are coming, from the crank, from the oil pan. It's traveling through here, through this tube, and it goes behind the throttle body after the compressor. So this is the new part that fits here with the orientation of the valve, so the vacuum travels that way, so from the right side to the left side, going from inside the oil pan into the intake, into the admission intake. This is a lower size flow restrictor, so that the compressed air from the compressor, when it blows, to be slowed down and then stopped by this valve, so that it won't travel back in the engine. What you want the fumes that passes next to the rings, the piston rings, and escapes down in the oil pan, to be evacuated through this pipe. So because of this, you see what's left out of the old valve, because the fumes are so hot and the oil, and they burn out the rubber. So you see here you have a vacuum leak, and because this one was almost missing from here, you have another vacuum leak which sets an engine code, but it was only pending, it was not showing as a engine management light. So the check engine light was not on because it was only in pending, but the fuel consumption was raised. So as we fix this, we expecting for the fuel consumption to get lower as well, as we are getting rich exhaust codes. The computer was trying to compensate this vacuum leak from here. The lambda was seeing the leak, recommended as lean, and then trying to increase the fuel. So then we were switching into a rich mixture.